Hey, 1st of May today. I thought we'd just head up to Davidsfarm. Haven't been up there for a while. See what's going on. It's kind of windy out. I don't know if we'll be able to land there, but we're going to try it out. So here we are. Get ready to go. Here we are. Fire.
Sometimes you have to rock it a little bit.
Here's Dave giving driving lessons to Michael.
So, you're filming his funeral.
Yeah, exactly.
If he would have lived if he drove the Mercedes.
Yeah. I wouldn't let him drive the Mercedes. Okay, so I better give it. You can tell he's a farm boy. Friggin' ancient friggin' hippie snowboarders or
Don't smile.
DC. What do you do, like skateboarding?
Smile like you're about close.
A freak.
1, 2, 3.
Dave the Freak skateboarder.
No, I'm just wearing my color keyed clothes.
Yeah.
Not just my gas tank, you see.
There you go.
These are the color of my underwear, see what that matches.
Yeah. Hey, I hate to see what the hell Bloke's wearing on his birthday today. Maybe nothing. What do you got on today, Bloke? Nothing? Birthday suit. Pretty soon you're going to find out, eh? Nutcase on the loose. Here's your preview of the new... Remember that view. Next week it may be a little bit different. Put the top of there's Skyhill over there. The pond. My plane way down over there. Way down the deep so you see my plane. And there's redneckrickem.
What's going on?
Hey, did you ever stop laughing?
Never. Never.
Freaking wild man. Rickem just telling us where we're gonna be living. And here's what they find. Here's what they find. Rickem's right at home already. You already got your garden growing, man.
You found my crop, man.
Yeah. What's that? It's the first time. Found I meet this ugly bastard and his boyfriend. Are you guys lovers?
Oh yeah.
It's a bubblegum twin. Hey, if you guys are the bubblegum twins, which one's blow me, which one's chew me?
Hi, I'm Neil. This is Bob.
Yeah.
I'll do anything for $20.
Yeah. What do you get for 5?
Anything for gas.
Ask gas or grass. Nobody rides for free, eh?
Exactly.
Meeting with the bloke and the wild and the giggling redneckrickem. You ever? What do I call you guys? The bubblegum twins. Which one's blow me? Which one's chew me?
Call me what you like. Don't call me stupid.
Oh, hey, and there's your boyfriend over there, Big Dave. Okay, well, you know what, guys?
Warm her up, eh?
Yeah, I'll warm up for a few minutes.
Yeah,
I'll taxi down there.
I'll film
and
you taking off.
And you know what? If I hit you, it'll be mincemeat. See you guys.
He needs to lose a bit of that belly.
Yeah. Okay.
On my birthday, I don't.
Okay. Anyway, take care, guys. Thanks. Spend an afternoon here having a bit of fun with these guys. We're going to head back out in this plane. We're going to get back out of here. Still a bit breezy. Got a short little road to get off here. Show us what we got up there.